Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide iPhone notifications. Please put a like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down a little and click notification. Here we need to click on any application, for example, and here you can turn off notification or switch style of notification center. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and go back to my channel. Bye bye everyone, see you later.